MZ. Welcome to another How to series by menumiz. In this session, we will guide you through how to manage tableside orders, TSO, along with highlighting key features that streamline your digital order management setup. Follow these instructions to complete the process effortlessly.
Order management is one of the core modules in menumiz. The menumiz POS support a variety of ordering methods, whether it's through integrated QR code and online ordering, tableside service, or orders placed directly at the counter. Through this module, you can manage dine-in or takeaway orders in the traditional way, process payments at the counter, and monitor the flow of QR code or online orders. Depending on your user role and access level, you'll also have access to order history and the ability to initiate refunds. Let's start with an overview of the order management module in menumiz POS. Each morning when you log in, the system will ask whether today is a public holiday. This helps populate the calendar accordingly. If you accidentally miss this prompt or make the wrong selection, don't worry. You can easily amend it later under settings by enabling or disabling the public holiday option. Now, on the main page of the order management module, you'll see three key areas: taking a new order, retrieving an online or QR code-based order manually, and viewing your existing recent orders in the basket. To take a new order, whether it's for tableside service or counter orders, just click Take New Order. You'll be prompted to choose between dine-in, takeaway, or delivery. The delivery option here is not linked to a third-party service. It's for manually entering delivery details into the system, if you prefer not to integrate. menumiz supports order queues. So if there's an uncompleted order already in progress, the system may prompt you to either continue with that one or start fresh. Let's say you're taking a fresh dine-in order. You'll enter a table number if needed, or skip it if it's not relevant, then click Go. A guest information pop-up will appear where you can enter the guest's name, number of diners, and an optional email address for sending the bill. If you prefer not to see this pop up every time, you can disable it in the order management settings. Next, you'll land on the menu screen, where available dishes are shown. By default, menumiz displays dish images. If you prefer a simplified layout, you can switch to the text-only mode, which hides images and shows only the dish names with color-coded backgrounds. Filters on the left and top of the page help you narrow down menu items. The system will automatically load the menu you use in last order, but if you prefer to see all dishes regardless of menu structure, you can choose the All Dishes view. This also includes hidden items or those not shown to customers via QR code. menumiz learns your best-selling dishes over time and moves them to the top for quicker access. At the top of the page, you'll see the selected order type and table number. The profile icon reveals guest details if available. The home icon on the left lets you return to main page and places the current order in the pending list. All pending orders will appear in the footer, letting you switch between them easily. Clicking on a dish opens a panel on the right. Here, you'll see all available sizes, prices, variations, and any free side dishes or add-ons. If you have any special instructions for the kitchen, you can add them here too. The info icon shows more details, calories, ingredients, and any assigned tags. The cart icon shows the current order basket. From this panel, you can either add the item to the basket and continue adding more, or go straight to the payment screen by clicking Add and Pay. Once the order is placed, the cart view gives you more options. Applying a discount, merging with another unpaid orders, or deleting the order. You can also expand or collapse the item view using the arrows. When everything looks good, click Proceed, which takes you to Checkout. The system assumes payment by card as default method, but you can change the method or place the order under a Pay Later model by disabling the payment toggle. You can also split the bill, which we'll cover in another video. Normally, the system prints the bill once the order is placed, but you can turn that off if needed by disabling this tab. If a customer wants a bill beforehand, you can print it manually from the button in the top left corner. You can add a tip before proceeding with payment. If the customer pays in cash, the system automatically calculates the change due. Once you submit the order, whether paid or unpaid, a docket will print and the order is officially placed in the system. Unpaid orders will remain under the existing orders section until payment is made. Orders placed by QR codes or online are held in a queue awaiting confirmation. You can find them in the Retrieve Order section. A small notification badge will show the number of new orders, and if your device supports it, you'll also receive a beep notification every minute. Here, you're expected to review each order. If it's valid, process it. If it's a QR code order with post-service payment, you'll need to manually verify the order to ensure everything looks right. You can modify items, delete them from cart, or cancel the order entirely if necessary. That said, most businesses prefer to send QR code and online orders straight to the kitchen with mandatory prepayment. This minimizes risks and ensures only paid orders are processed. To use this automated model, you must enable MOAP and define a grace period. During this time, ranging from 15 seconds to 15 minutes, you have the opportunity to review orders before the system prints dockets automatically. For full details, check out our dedicated MOAP video. Now let's talk about the existing orders section. Here, you'll see all pending for payment orders, new paid orders from the last 90 minutes, canceled ones, and the entire order history from the past 72 hours. You can edit unpaid orders by clicking Make Payment and modifying them if needed. Paid orders can't be changed, but you can still update guest info, or reprint the bill, or docket using the pen icon. The location icon next to a customer's name shows how many times they visited before. This only works if you've entered their email address or if they place a QR code or online order through their menumiz account. Under the Order Management settings, you can do things like update the public holiday status, disable the guest info pop-up, switch to dark mode, activate the on-screen keyboard for touch devices, enable MOAP with custom timing, control whether unpaid QR code orders are allowed, temporarily pause QR code ordering, or switch to a simplified text-only view without images. Now let's quickly touch on cash drawers. If you have a compatible printer connected to a cash drawer, click the icon on the panel to open the cash drawer. The system will list connected cash drawers here. You can open them manually if needed, and all drawer actions are logged automatically for tracking. Finally, we come to order history and refunds. menumiz stores all order history for up to 7 years. You can search any order, check payment details, reprint bills, or confirm the payment status, especially for QR code or online orders. If you're logged in as an admin or cashier, you can initiate a full refund from this screen. Waitstaff, however, can issue refunds. Also, please note that only full refunds are currently supported. And if the payment was made via menumiz Pay, you won't be able to refund directly. In such cases, customers must request a refund through the menumiz app or by contacting our support team.
And that wraps up the overview of order management in menumiz. To dive deeper into specific features like MOAP, split bills, or table merging, check out our other tutorials.
menumiz, digitally yours.